Okay, so we bought a new IKEA Bekant, and so I'm obviously going to give myself another Megadesk. So this is the bigger one. I expect to need to switch to the variant mode by hitting the up button 16 times. And so I'm going to try and see if I still got it, if I can take this apart. Based on my other tips, circuit board's going to sit somewhere around there, so I'll really focus on this side and this side. Got all my tools, spudgers, X-Acto knife. So let's just crack at it and see if I can get this open. Remember, if you damage this top lid, it doesn't really matter. That's going to be, right up against the desk. You're not going to see any of this really. But this part, the back part, definitely the most inconspicuous part. Said I would avoid that area, but it seems to be the loosest part. Go. This is curved, so when I'm getting it in here, I'm able to push on this part where there's no circuit board. I think that's a really important point too. Maybe you can't pick that up on the camera, but at least I'm trying to get it away from that board. But I think we're good now. There we go. So yeah, I did nick that board a bit. The nice part, I haven't looked at one of these stock ones in a long time. Maybe it has unchanged. I'm seeing 2012, March 24th. I nicked it there, so that's inconsequential. It looks like if you're on this side as well, just a big ground plane. Nothing to be concerned about, but yeah, if you can get in there, and once you get through part of it, the rest is just going to pop right off on you. So now you've got it apart. The rest is a walk in the park. You can take this. I like to put my thumb there and just pull this straight out. Right, that's the old board. Put that aside, we'll keep that in case you ever need to do your recalibration of your motors. You'll need that. Take the new one. Make sure you actually get it in the connector and you're not just sliding it underneath the connector. That's that. And then in she goes. Great. Your cable pops back out. Just like that in. Your red goes on the right. The other two, the colors, might be yellow here, might be white. The middle will always be black, but your red goes on the right. That's all that matters. Plug it in backwards, you're not going to hurt anything. It just won't work, so you just flip it around. There we go. Go back on. You can just use a bit of tape, but once it's screwed into the desk, it's going to be held shut. Maybe I'll just go to the garage and just lightly kind of get rid of those with a sanding block. I damaged it a bit, but that's all there is to it. All right, enjoy.